That briefing was so fucking long. Let's get the vehicle. Yes, we are. Come on, go on.
Don't slip, don't slip, don't do that.
Good boy. Alex, we're getting a lap dance. First class lap dance.
Hey, you're coming with me.
Right, I'm going that way.
Okay, no, mate. Sorry, a minute, mate. Shit.
Pull back. He's on the tracks, on the tracks. By the tree. Medic. Hit! Good shot! Go, go. I heard a hit. Might hit someone. Where? Oh. Smoke! Hold on, give me someone.
Oh, here we go, here we go. We might be caught. Here we go.
Oh, fuck me.
Boys, we're about to get armoured.
Any enemies on the side?
Ow! They've got cover. On us, on us, on us! Yeah, good one. Medic! Medic!
Come on, boy!
I'm dead, boys.
Ah. You dead, though?
Yeah.
All in?
Where are you looking?
Right, get fucking moving. We ain't gonna be fucking up and down, so we're gonna have to go round. Yeah. Good effort. On me, boys. Fucking hell. Hit. Hit.
Ah, hit.
Hit. Hit.
Where the fuck did we get? Fair play, boys.
Fair one.
Oh.
Is there another one in there? Do you want to keep them at the back then? And we'll all stay in front of them. If you guys want to stay at the back.
You're right.
Because there's quite a number of us.
Hey, that three of them, that way. Along the fence line. Yep.
Yep. Hit! On the shoulder.
Alright, cool. Van. Don't worry, I'm gonna take him out now.
Cheers.
Van?
Yeah, hold on. Good one. Oh, my knight in shining armour.
Huh?
I recorded it as well.
What?
You.
Doing what?
Come on and help. I tried to get a little action shot of you and you came over and saved my life.
When?
Just now.
What, you're there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Turned it on just for you. Let's pull back, let's pull back. Alex, faces.
There's no way that's not me. Wait, straight ahead, shoot straight.
It brings us closer to the APC, so just be quiet. Alex, moving. Nice one.